Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by switching the Casio to matrix mode and defining the matrix you want. This step matters because eigenroutines read the stored matrix only. First, press mode, choose matrix, then select a new matrix slot like mat and enter the exact row and column counts. Enter each element carefully, moving right then down. Mistakes change results. Once done, save and exit entry. Make sure the matrix is square. Eigenvalues require square matrices, so confirm dimensions now before moving on. Now compute eigenvalues by calling the calculator's matrix calculation features. On this model, you use Shift then Matrix to pick mat A, then Shift Calc to access operations. If an eigenvalue or characteristic menu is present, select it. Otherwise, compute det. A minus lambda I, and use numeric solve to find roots. Use identity matrix I of same size and variable lambda as unknown. Make sure to substitute a guess for numeric solver where required. Once you have eigenvalues, record them and check multiplicities versus matrix size. Next, find eigenvectors by solving a minus lambda times I times x equals 0 for each eigenvalue you found. You can use the calculator's simultaneous equation or row reduction routines. Input the matrix a minus lambda I and perform Gauss elimination to obtain a null space vector. Normalize or scale the vector for neatness. For symmetric matrices, verify orthogonality between distinct eigenvectors. If the solver returns no solution, recheck matrix entries, ensure exact lambda used, and try a different numeric initial guess if using iterative methods.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.